one who never fails to show affection. So similarly, the gopis are saying, hey Tulsi, please bless us that Achyuta shows us unfailing affection like he's always showing you. So these are some beautiful insight by Sri Jiva Goswami, Swami Charan. And now we see Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur, Sri Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur, and he has his commentary. Approaching Tulsi and Malati and other plants, the gopis are thinking, these Tulsi plants are female, and they will understand the agony of our tender hearts and surely be merciful. So let us inquire from Tulsi. Because they approach the Ashwat and Plaksha and Nyagroda and the Ashok and Nag and Punaga and Champak and all these trees which are male by gender, and as like most males, they're hard-hearted, and they didn't respond, and they were silent. Some of them had good reason because they're Vishnu and Brahma and Shiva, and they're very sober and silent, and they don't easily respond to the requests of some simple girls from the village. I'm Brahma. And the gopis are thinking, well, you're Brahma, but Radharani dances on your head. Because your four heads are the Char Parvat of Barsana, Vilaskar, Mangar, and Dangar, and where the main one, where Radharani is. But that's another point for we Brijvasis. But anyway, according to Shukamuni and the Srimad Bhagavatam, they did not reply. But they thought, well, let's go to the tender side. If the father doesn't respond and give you money, you go to the mother. Have a better chance. Yes? Then if that doesn't work, then grandpa. Or then that doesn't work, then grandma. So you're bound to score. You have four choices. So the gopis are approaching that. You'll be merciful to us. So thinking like this, they say, oh Tulsi, you're Kalyani, you're very fortunate, and you're very dear to the feet of Govinda, Govinda Charana Priye. But we are Akalyan. Akalyan means we are unfortunate. Because Krishna has left us. The phrase Govinda Charana Priye can also mean dear to the respectable Govinda. Because the word charana indicates respect. So they're both saying the same point here. So another one of these things. And he repeats also Jiva Goswami's. He says, the word charana indicates respect as in the expression Acharya Charan, respectable teacher. And the gopis are expecting that Tulsi will reply by saying, you gopis are also Govinda Charana Priye. You gopis are also dear to the lotus feet of Govinda. And the gopis say, yes, Tulsi, that's true.